The secret behind OLED's perfect black is the self-illuminating pixels. Each pixel in an LG OLED TV display can individually brighten, dim, and power off completely to create that perfect black like no other TV can. Since OLED's pixels work independently of each other and don't require a backlight, the contrast ratio between the lightest and darkest areas of the screen is infinite. Infinite contrast creates a more true-to-life image without sacrificing the darkest blacks, even in the brightest scenes. It also means that there is no light bleed or halo effect when bright or dark areas are next to each other. This local contrast capability means you'll see a more detailed and realistic looking picture.